Wakwaba and found bra GCN pages so Mestral subscribe to my channel na found some ya bell on the so open a notification and some echoes will make me open your BT and as open your beer share a GCN page hamidin ede adwa sechi Orachi Biney our ye NDC near Chese or Howari MPP neighbor Madam Akutu I won't send me baby or my gun name say eh na politicians hana mote utumi NDC ni pa more din say Ekowari MPP near Honsem Ebe Bibre. Now, Rachi Biney and or Cassina, Nisa more Kenya, and say, a year Honorable Kojo Opong Nkrumah, our information minister. Or Cassa to say, Sebu Abofra. Now, the answer Rachi Biney, Cassina, a year First Lady, Mammy Rebecca, and a Second Lady, a year Madam Samira Baumia, almost salary, and a year Alawa Honsema, Ecoso, a woman name one. And the chess and Andrea were main one yet say His Excellency in Alabama Kufadi, able to an Mammy Rebecca, beautiful Rebecca cat. Obertiana cat, I chess a Hunsen baby bring at the idea. Now, a cana, His Excellency, now Babu to your net, chess a yard cry. I'm a penny for wondering a vice president for wondering, almost your mocada dada. I am not yet allow. But now this is here no Baba Yano face, not just a salary. I am a penny for 1 year or beji, a war or my gun in him, who send baby brave, and at the idea. And some betos a gun a hand on any social media winning. At a pie coach, Barbara, mine may be echo, Mamma Rebecca, and Shania and Petra, and I'm so, and now Mamma Rebecca, just say, why would draw sick candy now? Pesua prayer that's so cry, of the Ghana for Monday, and also major, the Ghana for the much from one who's one, and Casaba steady. Mamma Rebecca, the Sicanaba, Vice President, Nere. Madam Samira Baumi also this can be home some baby bro or my gandhi monadia. Now honorable Kojo Opong Nkrumah eba out. Eba chana drain efa asemno said the mama Rebecca and Nanin because Ghana for yam ready. Nano and our Urachi Biney HSA commenter honorable Kennedy honorable Kojo Opong Nkrumah our information minister eba house ebe ma efa salary who sensem and alawa who sensem ekosono enya dia etre maturity when show cry so you matured say or your MP cry no kasa asem dabi mofra talk and our kind say and our Rachi Biney ede etuja
Article 71 committee here what the salary be am one now what tomorrow they will have to refund that salary. In fact in the dame war a free crodo or a UTV now many information there. First lady or the letter Abba. And my second lady also the letter Abba. The Sika Oman Nature Man 2017 as Oman Penny na Oman Penny na be the Chini now no. Why found this cano? Anything that has to do with allowance, no, they are not interested. I was very, very disappointed. Especially when she said that we take them decision no because a binumuri chino abodo or and sama krofu bi work on the fan or kwakoye de sebia ono omane nana komado ano nyiti man fa I am very disappointed in the sense that say I'm new kasi first lady officer state that man or the one say ori to kwana say omano ne security ne bambo ne pdm na ade wo de man don komra obeje ana onje. I think that is very shameful to me. The president Damaji Obaboton as a certain president on a vice one year no on nam kase binuma kasa 120 they will come and say the allowance awada mahina je nemum office na other and them which are all allowance in any way. Those ones they will take them. That means there is some anger. And what Ghanaians are saying in there, is it right to classify the wives of the first and second gentlemen as Article 71 holders? No, we are not happy about that. If that one is supposed to be done, it's not even about parliament. It should be a referendum. Today, Miss Mania Kwakoya Assembly, about 2 years. About to about my DC is a my referendum. This one should go. Ghanaians all must make an input. Then we all come into conclusion or take a decision that this is what. So the crux of the matter is not about coming to say scar whether mami na daba. If you never allowance, I want them a minji bio. It's about the fact that one kasa honorable kusa ye discuss ye de befi sebi ye de totonda maho na ye hwe na ye hu de debi. Somebody may think that you are scoring a political point medaba one fambra, and I hear people talking about those things and asking. Even Kojo Opong Nkrumah yesterday on your Asempa show was asking that what is trending on social media now. What then Crawford there wait to Madam offending Becky no nye Madam Samira or the Uskanaba into Madam Lodina. That is childish. Sebi first lady phone obi anyi wa odi trukusi abando do ntu honka. Abandon responsibility in there. Oh then kadam krate na wo ye na wo dem recommendation na ba na what to call. Kojo Opong Nkrumah, Information Minister, is the first person to break that news. For us to know there in Tia Moabe Dune Committee, recommendations be as a Penny to be classified as Article 71 holders. Now we then we started discussing this issue. Are you getting the point?
Maybe as a narrative in Freebow. As to the okay, as to they drawing their whatever from Article 71 because no, I may catch will be say the okay information minister maybe a conversation because if you read the report and the recommendation,
I'm saying that. Remember that when we did, I will listen to the report.
Okay.
But before we even started discussing this issue, now report has out. I'm saying that Ansa na Ghana for you better them issue now you start here discussing. It was triggered by this information minister of the same government who told us about recommendations of them reporting other other offer onuntin all there yen or man paying an average children yema yedi according to this report recommending
so that it wasn't triggered.
No, hold on. You hold on. Manifa.
He was reacting to better comes in no the coin and home back.
No. Tell the mayor. You bet me doing communi, you know. But you have the opportunity, Mr. You have the opportunity. Chief Yankoso.
And Governor Sante, what I'm saying here, the issue at stake on the recommendations here. Until I'm do committee or other recommendations to come up president. President Otebu, do you know that per the constitution, if you read Article 70, 1 now, president need 2 maybe or 1. I think D or so. On upon who or the committee or yemra or shen the other upper committee now will review Article 71 holders. Now, what power them in the committee they won't conquer Juman? What's a form now? Jumano? What's one types of reference? He be crock and when you there, one share other matters. Other matters should be limited to the 71 now, or no normal them 2 minutes a year. But they came back to tell us that, I will recommend the amount paying no 1 year no man allowances now the mahon 1 year regularizing now on your salary. Them document here, President Onyimpa, the 2 more man, more the power them committee, 2 money fee on them position or occupy or can Article 71 holders no war. The meeting or form of them 2 men. But President pass on the parliamentary affairs minister. Emma also was about parliament. Emma name in your case document in the version. For parliament. And I'm saying that, 1, President Ankasampon could have saved the situation by stopping it and sign a document in the crown or by Besson. Emma, second mistake by parliament so that approve and oil them. Orba. Ghana for acting some Jumana wire from presidency to parliament. The thing has come out. And Ghanaians think that no. Article 71 holders are Article 71 holders. Ghanaians also are saying that the first ladies na second lady one year the bambo officer where you one foundations na then and faso awonya because of one position the foundation will chase you can list them to GMPC and a commercial bank and a whole lot. They give them money because of who they are. Support their foundations, man wants to more support to Unkuno. In Ghana for don't agree. The year on salary. Near for one car Article 71 office holders won. This is what we are discussing. Then first lady and a second lady was to scan crowd one pay bill. Since I want penny there in Crawford to one abodo, Kasa been work and winning you. And I'm asking, I hope Brasi Mala. There. Kasa and Crawford can one penty what this can ban. And Adam Kasa and Crawford can agana for one officer, what the Mahon, one a friend and pay dear Mawutua Mahon, Bamba Yedi Mahon, walk or back out, Kakra, one officer. Almost one GBU and only do Wabeji. But allowance in what the Bama.
Okay.
So down nota, it's not a good mark. It's very bad there. In the history of Ghana, President Akufo-Addo need term as president, and them salary issues came up, and in discussing it, the wife of the president and the vice president, what you know, if it was this Kenyan up. Meanwhile, the same country no ne bambon security you will take it. The same Ghanaians are the same people who are talking. The same country no if you are use. It's not everything that you take it, you look at it from that political angle. Or do some of the things are you discuss you debafi sebi you the totonza maho na ye hwe ni hu the debi. Somebody may think that you are scoring a political point, one Fambra, and I hear people talking about those things and asking. Even Kojo Opong Nkrumah yesterday on your Asempa show was asking that what is trending on social media and I don't know what then Crawford wait to Madam offending Becky no nye Madam Samira or the Uskanaba into Madam Lodina. That is childish. Sabi first lady phone obi anyi wa ode trukusi abando do nche honka abandon responsibility in there or then kadam krata na wo ye na ode them recommendation na ba na wo call wo bo hwe na wa ye ho adwuma na we nya one piece. First ladies are na ye wo former first ladies why are
Limana Misata Nadu Lodina
Madam Teresa,
yeah.
And if you are calling Madam Lodina don't also finally refound them bra. The others, no, are you going to call on them? And don't you think it's a shame and it's childish for us to even engage in that discourse? For me, I mean, respectfully, they could